Hello and welcome to Niche Internet Marketing channel on YouTube. I am Nitin Deshpande, your host. We are here at World Internet Summit, which is happening in the New Zealand, and we are at the final finale, the last 4 days. And I have got with me Sean Clark, the ultimate interviewing guy. It must appropriate to call Sean as a leverage guy. Is that right, Sean?
Well, I think it is right. I think just kind of automatically my brain goes to, if you're going to spend an hour of your time or 10 hours of your time or a week of your time doing something, what's the maximum return you can get for that? And that really is why I focus on interviewing, because you put yourself in a position to leverage 45 minutes, a 45-minute interview, into dynamic content. You can create product from that. But here's the big one. You create a relationship with somebody of influence. Whoever you're interviewing is an expert in some field. They are in a position of influence, and because you're the person who interviewed them, because you're the person that interviewed them properly, they had a real experience in that interview. I mean, they shared things with you because a trust was built that they wouldn't have otherwise done. So that creates a real human connection, yeah? Now, what I've just started doing, this is kind of a new philosophy on, because as a copywriter, I've realized that the highest leverage in a website is email copy. And it's highest leverage because it doesn't take very much. You can't put very much copy in an email. So I've templated 7 emails that always generate income for my clients who have a list. So what I'm recommending now is for people to I have a sheet of 6 things to look for on a website that you're able to recognize when there's untapped potential. And almost every website has untapped potential. And so here's what you do. You do an interview with 3 experts that you have recognized that those expert sites have untapped potential. You create the relationship with them through the interview. After the interview is over, after you've built a relationship, you go back to them and say, while I was on your site, I noticed this, this, and this, and there's untapped potential in your website. Would you agree that there's more money in your website than you're currently generating? They all say yes. Every website owner knows they should be making more money from their website. And then you say to them, well, what I have realized is I've got a series of 7 emails that are all professionally created and proven, that if we send them out in this sequence, we're going to generate revenue from your list. So what I would like to propose is that I'm going to take my expertise, which is these 7 emails, which I've crafted and make available to the people that I coach, and we're going to implement those into your list when we share the revenue of that. And they always say yes, because they know that there's money in their list that they're not getting. They've tried this email, they've tried that email, it's not working, and you come to them and say, I've got a proven series of 7 emails generated by a copywriter from me who's generated millions of dollars in business for clients by working out this particular 7 email sequence. So you find the sites that have the potential from experts, you ask them to interview, from that interview you create a relationship, you show them what can be better about their website, you propose a joint venture, you implement the 7 emails, and you share in that revenue, and you're talking thousands of dollars every single time. It takes literally a couple hours of work. So you don't have to set up your own website, you don't have to create your own list, you don't even have to have a product, nothing. Your asset, you're bringing the asset of my knowledge, which is the 7 emails, into an environment that can utilize those emails, which is an underdeveloped website. And there's tons of them. So it's win-win, but the biggest win for you is it took them, let's say, 5 years to build a website. I literally just hand you the emails. So save yourself a lot of time and energy, make a ton of money. And I only know this because I just worked it out as a copywriter, working with client after client after client. And I always realized that if we did those 7 emails right, that's where I made the most money for my clients.
Yeah, it is as simple as that. And thank you very much, Sean, for spending your time, valuable time into us.
My pleasure.
And supporting to Niche Internet Marketing.
Truly my pleasure. Thank you.